Perfect. Perfect.
As you can see, April the 4th is when he sent me this product. It ain't even been a year yet. So you know he had to upgrade after he sold me the neutral release cover. After. That's not a year.
Hey everybody, it's Steve at S&A Security Specialist here at River Grove, Illinois. We've been noticing a lot of our customers coming in with these little plate covers over the neutral safety strap, which is located next to the gear shifter. Great idea. What these do is they slow thieves down. So thieves just bust your window, climb in, pull the plastic cover off, pull the red strap cable, and push your vehicle away using another vehicle. These slow them down. We acquired a couple of these, we brought them in, and we thought, wow, great idea, great concept, but how can we make these better? So these little things right here are very thin. We can press down, we can bend them, could probably easily drill through it and still get to that strap. With the ones that we revised, they're a lot thicker. As you see, I'm pushing down on them, and if you look at the steel on that, compared to something that thin, this is definitely a better option. So what these will do is they will complement your CompuStar drone package and basically slow the thieves down so they can't just bust the window, hop in so fast and pull the strap and push it away real quick. This will slow them down, giving that alarm system plenty of time to alert your remote control and your drone and page you on your cell phone. So definitely a great add-on if you already have the IGLA system and the CompuStar system. Or if you just want to get a CompuStar system without the IGLA, make sure you ask for the strap cover. We do have about 100 of each in stock for Chargers and Challengers from 2015 all the way up to 2022. They are available for our customers who have new installs, or they're available for all of our previous customers. All you have to do is give us a phone call. Our phone number is 773-772-5424.
And as you can see, he says it's his design. So if it's your design, where did he get your design from? The two parts that he ordered had to come from you, which was at the time decent, but aluminum cans compared to his upgrade. You had to play catch up. And as you can see, I just told Steve to order a whole bunch of them and sell them a little more in his store, or if not, come up with some type of product like this. And what did he do? He made yours thicker before you did. He upgraded your shit before you did. And you got a problem? Here is when I sent him your information again, putting you on for you to make some money. Me not knowing that he was going to take your design and make it better. But since he did, give it here. I'm a customer. Why not? I want the upgraded version. It seems like you wanted the upgraded version. You upgraded your own product to match his. You didn't leave it the same. You didn't leave it that same thin aluminum. You upgraded. Why? Because you even thought it was a better product. Come on, man. Come on, man. And as you can see, Destroyer1320 thanking me for adding a clip of of his product in my video, thanking me. So how can you thank me on something that's not your product? It don't make sense. Come on, man. Talking about my product being like this for almost a year. You know it's 12 months in a year, right? I got this product from you in April. This is December. And you just now decided to upgrade. How many months have you been upgraded when this person did your product within a matter of days? You only started complaining when you upgraded. As long as you still had that aluminum can, you couldn't say a word. But now that you finally upgraded, you want to come to my page and act like you've been 18 gauge steel since day one. Please, who you talking to? Talking about a false claim. How is a false claim when it's your product that you sent us? It's the product you sent us before you upgraded your own product. Come on, man. You sent this to us. You even said it in your email, or was that a message that this was your first prototype? So what is your second? This your first? Don't that make all of them your products? As you can see, back in what's that, April, March, when I bought this piece, it's the exact same piece that's shown in the video before Destroyer1320 decided to upgrade to 18 gauge steel. But before that, it was aluminum. Yes, was I happy with it? Yes, it was the only thing on the market. But when somebody else came out with something bigger and better, I bought it. I'm pretty sure you would do the same thing. It's good to have what you want to say, a preference. Just like everybody don't like Kentucky Fried Chicken. But they go to Popeyes for chicken. They go to Chick-fil-A. If you don't like Burger King, what you do? You go to McDonald's. There's always another option. There's always with somebody something better. And that's what I went with. I went with a better product at the time. Compared to your product that bent, which was good because it was the only thing on the market. We had no choice. But when somebody came out with something bigger and better that does the same thing, but is a lot more durable and a lot more sturdy, who wouldn't want to upgrade to it? Why you think you had to upgrade your own product? Because somebody beat you to the punch. They took your product and made it better. So either you had to step your game up or you was going to get left behind. It is simple as that. But didn't nobody lie on you? Talking about, that's not your product. You use 18 gauge steel. Come on, man. Then what the hell did you send me then? You sure didn't send me 18 gauge steel. Look right there. What's in the video? Your product. Point proven. S&A security specialists acquired the parts from you after I sent them your information. So what about the hundreds, if not thousands of people that bought it before me and after me? What did you send them? I'm pretty sure they still got the same shit I did before you upgraded. So come on, man. Who the fuck you think you talking to? Who you playing with, man? Get your panties out of bunch. You just not got your shit together. So now you deciding to complain. Well, I'm a customer. I'll buy what the fuck I want. Talk to the person that you so-called say stole your design.
A common question I've been getting is what type of steel do we use to make these TDS covers? That's 18 gauge steel. A common question I've been getting is what type of steel do we use to make these TDS covers? That's 18 gauge steel.
What are you, fucking nuts?